Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add music in Audacity. It's quick, easy, so let's jump right in. First, open Audacity. Now to add your music, you have two simple methods. The first is drag and drop. Just locate your audio file on your computer, drag it and drop it to Audacity. It will automatically load as a new track. The second one is manual import. Click on File, Import, Audio, then browse and select your music file. Click Open and your track will appear in the timeline. Now, you can see the waveform of your music. Press spacebar to play it back. You can also move it around, trim it or apply effects as needed. And just like that, your music is added. Super easy, right? If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one.